Hello everyone, let's take a look at the gradebook in Canvas so that you can learn how it works, some of its features, and how to be able to tell where you are in your course, but also where you could be. On the left-hand side, you should see in the navigation bar the button for grades. If you ever see a little red button number like this, it just means those are the assignments that you haven't reviewed, but that have been graded since you last checked. We're going to go over here and go into our gradebook. When you land in your gradebook, there are a few things that you need to know about. First of all, your grade will be up here in the top right-hand corner. Test student isn't doing so great in this class, are they? So what we're going to do is we're going to look and see what we can do to improve that score just a little bit. As you're looking at your gradebook, you're obviously seeing the assignments that have been published over here on the left, and then you're going to see the score that was received in this score column. Sometimes if you see a check mark, that was just a completion grade. Did you do it or not? If you didn't do it, you'll see an X. If you did, you'll see a green check mark. Anytime that you see a slash, the number on the right of the slash is how many points were possible. The number on the left was what your score was. So if you ever see a dash like this, it just means that it hasn't been graded yet, or it's not due yet. The due date hasn't approached. If it does have a due date, you're going to see that due date over here in the due date column. And this status right here will tell you if it's missing or late. So this is my sandbox course, and I'm not a real student. So some of these that are past due, like this one, for example, that hasn't been graded or submitted, it doesn't say missing. But in your gradebook, if it's past due and you haven't turned it in, it will say missing right here. Also, if you turned it in, but you turned it in after the due date, it's going to say late. And the reason that it will tell you that it was turned in late is in case your teacher has a late policy that deducts a percentage or a number of points. That might explain why you have a lower score than you expected. All right, so let's dive into this. Test student isn't doing so great and they want to bring their grade up. So what can they do? Well, the first thing I would look at is what things are we missing? Like I said, on yours, it'll be easy to tell what's missing because there's going to be a little red button here that says missing, alert, alert. But this one doesn't have that. But I can see that this one right here is completely missing a score. I haven't turned anything in. If I click this, you'll notice that it gives me an entry box. Well, what if I did take this mastery check and I did pass it with a 9 out of 10? Because, no one's perfect and I want to try really hard to do my best, but maybe I won't get a perfect score. If I at least get a 9 and I hit enter, you're immediately going to see this little arrow. Now, what that arrow is pointing over here to is the fact that there should be the word missing here. So it's saying, this is your what if score. The what if score is telling you, what if I did this assignment and what if I got this score? It's still missing. But what if? Well, it brought my grade up just a little bit, like 3 percentage points. That's exciting. Let's say that this one right here that I did kind of poorly on. What if I retook this and I got an 80% on it? That one was pretty tough. Well, what if it's still missing or it's still late or whatever. If you don't see anything here and it has the arrow, this is just a signal telling you it's a what if. So what if I got an 8 out of 10? Well, look at that. It came up even more. But right here, this is a test. I got a 0 on a test. That was worth 100 points. So what if I took this? And what if I got an 80? Let's just see. Did you see that? It brought me up to a 72 just about. So that's how the what if score works. Now remember, these are not real scores. You did not earn these points. You cannot manipulate the grade book, but you can see what would happen if you got these scores and you turned in the assignment. If you want to revert back and erase all of those, all you have to do is click this revert to actual score. And then you can see what your score actually is again. All right, I hope that helps you to understand the gradebook in Canvas.